Hello and welcome to the LIN Europe Clinic YouTube channel. We're back with another video carefully prepared just for you. If you're ready, let's get started. The tech neck epidemic. We are all guilty of it, looking down at our phones for hours, creating deep horizontal lines and a sagging jawline. We call this tech neck. While surgery in Turkey is the ultimate fix, what if they aren't ready for that? Today, we're teaching you the professional massage techniques we recommend at LIN Europe Clinic to keep your neck tight, smooth, and youthful at home. Tip 1. The anti-gravity rule. Front of neck. The skin on your neck is thinner than your face. It drags down easily. When applying cream or massaging the front of your throat, the rule is absolute. Always move upwards. Use your palm to stroke from your collarbone up to your jawline. This counter-reacts gravity and trains the skin to lift. Never pull the skin down. Tip 2. The drainage rule. Side of necks. Here's where people get confused. While the front goes up, the sides go down. Why? Because your lymph nodes are located under the ears, down to the sides of your neck. To reduce puffiness and double chin fluid, you must open the drain. Gently stroke from behind your earlobes down to your collarbone. This flushes toxins and defines the neck. Tip 3. The knuckle jaw definer. Want that sharp separation between your face and your neck? Make a peace sign with your fingers, bend them like knuckles, and pinch your jawline bone. Glide from the chin out towards the ear. This deep tissue massage targets the muscle attachment, breaking up tension and sharpening the profile. Tip 4. Never dry massage. The slip factors. This is a rookie mistake. Massaging dry skin causes friction, which scratches the skin and creates more wrinkles. You need slip. At LIN Europe Clinic, we recommend using a facial oil, a rich neck cream, or even a gua sha tool. The tool or hands should guide effortlessly without pulling the skin surface. Tip 5. The kiss the ceiling. Exercise combined massage with active scratching. Tilt your head back, look at the ceiling, and poker your lips like you are kissing the sky. You will feel a massive scratch in front of your neck, the platysma muscle. Hold for 10 seconds. This tones the muscle that naturally wants to sag. Reality check. Massage versus surgery. Let's be honest, massage is fantastic for fluid, puffiness, and muscle tone. It will make you look better, but it cannot remove excess skin. If you have a turkey waddle or loose hanging skin, no amount of oil will shrink it. This is where a surgical neck lift at LIN Europe Clinic comes in. Massage is maintenance, surgery is correction. Start these habits today to delay the aging process. But if you feel you've passed the point of massage, contact LIN Europe Clinic in Istanbul. We have a solution for every stage of your next life. Ready to take the next steps? Click on the link in the description, take your consultation in 5 minutes. We're waiting for you.